The biggest concern out here has been for the livestock. As you can see, that wildfire is going east. These guys, though, are the lucky ones.
We've been fighting fires since Sunday night.
The Oklahoma Forestry Department reports some 200 head of cattle perished so far in the Northwest Oklahoma complex fire. This flare-up in Laverne and Harper County quickly burning this afternoon, dangerously close to Lanny Zoldalski's land.
This is about the third time today.
He hasn't lost any of his cattle, but says 1,000 acres of grass used to feed them is no good.
And we need a lot of rain.
Zoldalski says the loss of one cow could cost him nearly $1,000. He's corralling the herd to a safer place until the wildfires are completely out. In Harper County, Patrina Adger, KOCO 5 News.